Alice gets called back to Underland by Alice and the Butterfly, and when she gets there, she learns that Hatter is in trouble. He believes his family is still alive, and so in order to save the Hatter from disappearing, basically, Alice has to go and save the Hatter's family in the past, time travel.
I think she's just wonderful, that she has a really strong sense of who she is, and no one seems to sort of like break that for her. She really believes she's worth being happy and doing what she loves.
It's all set in the world of Lewis Carroll, which is an unbelievably interesting, fascinating, mind-bending world. But at the same time, for me, I've always worked in the realm of comedy, so I hope this provokes laughter from people, because Lewis Carroll always made me laugh, so I thought that would be a good thing to try and bring back a bit. But at the same time, this is also about the emotional range and dynamics of the characters themselves. It's about Alice and Hatter and their relationship. It's about Alice and her mother, and Hatter and her father, so it's about families as well.
I think it'll be visually extraordinary, and I think it'll be very absorbing.
It's just a magical world, and I think that magical world's a great thing to be a part of, you know?
I hope they enjoy it. I think this film's really funny. James, the director, added like a really great sense of humour, and that kids will enjoy, and also adults. So yeah, I hope they enjoy it.
One of my basic requirements system was to create a place you're happy to spend an hour and a half of your life, and I hope by the end people will be very pleased to have done so, because it's a beautiful world, Underland. But at the same time, it's an interesting story, because I wanted to make it complex in a way that Lewis Carroll would appreciate, but not too complex people to understand. So there's a tricky line to follow, but I think in doing so, you then create a lot of quite interesting emotional dynamics in the characters, which again, for me, is hugely important, because emotion is what draws you into a film. And so I think that it's going to be, and it's funny, so it's all those things. So it's a lot of things in one. So I think just go and experience it for yourself.